the day that the new exhaust is finally going on the car, guys. I've waited months for this day, and now it's finally happening. So now let's try and fit all this into the G37. Somehow managed to fit the full Catback in here in pieces, actually, because the box would not fit in the car. It was way too big for what I was trying to do. The sway bars right here, and then in the back I folded my seats down and we fit the white pipe right there. So I head to my friend Chris's house right now. We're gonna install the exhaust. Alright guys, this will be the last cold start with the current exhaust setup, which is the Motordyne art pipes and the stock exhaust. Has a slight idle to it, but honestly when I'm driving it sounds like stock. I'll give you guys a couple revs before we head out.